Laura, you look festive, and I'm just glad I'm not the one wearing the hat this time.
Yeah, I know. I got off easy in the costume department for our videos.
Well, here's the great news. We have some wonderful gift packages that we have to offer this holiday season. It's going to be a wonderful holiday season, and Laura, I have to ask you, how many gifts are you going to give this year?
One less, but I'm probably going to give anywhere from, I don't know, maybe 50, maybe even 100 gifts this year.
Now imagine if you spent, on each gift, $100 on each gift. That would be a lot of money that you're spending for the holidays this year. And so all I have to say is, why not buy from yourself?
Oh,
right?
I love it. I love it that Shaklee now offers great holiday gift options. And they've got 3 different package options.
Right.
So Rich, this is a great solution for any of our business leaders, our distributors, or even our customers
That's
out
right.
there. Don't go to Costco and buy your gifts.
Or Walmart.
Or Bath and Body.
Or to the mall.
We've got what you need here at Shaklee.
That's right. And they're perfect options for you. They range in price, anywhere from $30 up to $100. We have great options that include skincare and nutrition and even get clean water.
And we won't include prices with the gift box shipment, so they won't know whether they were a $30 friend or a $100 friend.
I'm going to get the $100 gift,
Of
right?
course you are,
Yes,
Rich.
of course. I'll get her the $30 gift.
So there's terrific gift options, and what's really great about this is the gift boxing is free, completely complimentary on Shaklee. Free gift boxing, this beautiful all holiday season type of gift boxing that you can be proud to share Shaklee and give the gift of health by introducing someone to maybe products that they're not buying.
So again, give the gift of Shaklee. It's the gift that keeps on giving, and have a wonderful holiday season.
Happy holidays.